Hello there, my friend. So it's an AZDome camera, I'm sorry, dash cam, and we're going to reset the time on here. So what we need to do here is stop recording. So you hit this button right here, stop the recording, and then you can get into settings because it was grayed out earlier. So you go to settings, hit system settings tab at the top, go all the way down, and here you see it says time and date setting. And then right here you can set the time and the date. So it is 2024, hit OK. That's the right month. And now we're going to go back to 9. It's 9:13 actually. This, I have to admit, this dash cam does lose time, or it goes faster sometimes. So you just cycle through and hit OK on all those things. Return. And now you got the correct time, which is 9:19. And I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.